for funding, but was only offered $200,000 instead. So following his proposal, let's discuss what will take place with the beginning of the Space Force. So the Space Force shouldn't be created because it only increased runaway waste in space and then result in the production of high-tech weaponry and focus way too much energy and resources towards militarization of space. Instead, the U.S. should revise the Space Force and other ways to respond to our adversaries. With the program inducing more satellite missile testing as well as sending more satellites into orbit, it will only contribute to the rising problem of debris in our atmosphere. With fall-off parts from spaceships and scattered remains from destroyed spacecrafts, we estimate about 900,000 pieces of debris from 1 to 10 centimeters in length in our atmosphere currently. These pieces can reach about 17,500 miles per hour, and they can rip a spaceship to shreds. The main focus issue that arises, though, is the need for security in space. While we plan to boost our defenses, it will only contribute to other countries' need to develop more advanced systems than us. Developed weaponry from research holds a chance of being used by the military and other branches, and we can gain a tactical edge from spacecrafts. The technological race to see who dominates space will only continue to grow. With the progression of the United States and Russia's and China's aerospace forces, the United Nations have created several international treaties governing space, and they can authorize their enforcement. There shouldn't be any need for any defensive measures, but they should only be optional. Although we can't control other countries, the program is really costly and it focuses on military power instead of the security in space. With tensions across the globe rising, the U.S. needs to conserve its resources in case of a global disaster. Although we can't ignore opposing powers' control over space, it poses no threat to us currently. Instead of focusing attention on defenses, more treaties and rules can be governed, and